Hi guys, it's Weeded, and I'm here with some pendants that I recently took out of the kiln like a few minutes ago, and I put some more in, so they're firing now. These I had a bit of an issue with because the firing schedule was interrupted the first time, and the pendants did what I call tack fuse. Now, I put layers of glass together, and glass wants to be 1/4 of an inch thick. So if you've got glass stacked up really high, high, be up and down, then it will spread out. But if you've got glass that's sort of spread out, then when you fire it, it'll pull together so that it becomes 1/4 of an inch thick. That's just what it wants to do. And what happened was the first time, because the firing schedule was interrupted, the pendants didn't get to a full fuse, and the glass was stuck together, but each piece of glass still had its own shape. And I like them all slumped together, so it's just one piece, okay? And it doesn't look like two pieces of glass put together. Now, so I had to fire them again to get that full fused look, and something really interesting happened. And at first I was upset. Okay, I'll let it focus. Now, see how this gold came up a little bit, and then it's sunk down deep in there. So I don't know if you can see. This has, oh my gosh, the depth is just unbelievable. And at first I was like, oh man, look, that's, oh, yucky, no. And that was because I had to fuse it twice. But then I started looking and going, oh, I like that. I like that depth that happened with it. So it's a happy accident kind of thing, but I record my firing schedules and the results and what happened, and I put this in as a save. If I want this look, I know what I need to do now, and it does have to go through 2 firings to get it in this case. I'll show you the ones I don't like. This is the royal glass that was in my haul earlier. I think it was in December or January. And I don't like this one. All right, I'm just going to tell you, because of that blob right there. It actually looked good when I set it up. It just doesn't look worth a flip now. This had gold and then black streaky glass on top of it. And it's just doesn't, yeah, whatever. And this one had silver glass underneath it and the black streaky glass on top, and yeah, they don't do anything for me. I will save those. I've got other ways of using that kind of stuff up. But now these I love. The backing for the pendants, in this case, let me get, this is black Aventurine and it's sparkly. This is blue Aventurine and it's sparkly. And then you can see how sparkly. The green is the sparkliest. The black is there, but it's a little bit more subtle there. You can see some of the little sparkles in it now. So this was black, and then it had, this is, I'm going to say gold, or maybe silver. I can't tell. And again, it's got that cool, it looks like this sort of frames it, and then the rest is sunk down in it, and it is so cool. But you can see that black behind it really makes it nice too. And then there's that silver, and again, this just frames it, and it's so pretty, and you can see the blue sparkles through. And here's the green and gold. This one probably is going to end up being mine. Green and gold, yeah, that's probably going to be one that I wear. But these are just, I might end up keeping that one instead. I don't know. Okay, I did one with silver and one with gold, so yeah. I just love, this is copper on black. That's just gorgeous. I love the depth in these. So, so pretty. So that's what I did. And I didn't, this is that using that royal glass that had that metallic look to it, and I'm thrilled with those. That was totally not what I was expecting, but I have decided those are awesome. These two have that really nice dichroic glass in it, which is, yeah, the price of the pendant will reflect the fact that it's expensive glass. But I put a piece of clear dichroic on this turquoise or aqua color. It's aqua, not turquoise. And look, see? Well, I guess it could be turquoise. But isn't that gorgeous? That is so pretty. And then there's this one too. And this one did the same thing with that dichroic. It came up a little bit, but not as noticeably as it did with the royal on the second fusing. So, and then this is a gorgeous one too. So there you have it. Those are the ones that I just got out of the kiln. I'll glue a bail to the back of them and I'll put them on a cord, and I do a Chinese button knot so you can adjust the length. I'll show you when I do it. But anyway, there's those, and I'll try to remember to show you the ones that are in the kiln fusing right now. So thank you so much. If you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye.